Hello everyone, welcome to the main interface of our facility monitoring system. This interface provides a centralized display of key production data and financial indicators for the relevant regions, making it easy for you to quickly get a grasp of the overall operational status. First, let's look at the top right navigation bar. Click on Alerts. Here, you can see the system's early warning information. Click on Messages to quickly view your messages. Click on Reminder Settings to set up relevant reminder targets. On the lower left side below the navigation bar, it shows the currently selected site as Houston. On the lower left side, you'll find the site's detailed address, activation date, and other on-site related data. In the center, you'll see information on production output, waste, and related time data. On the right side, you'll find details about revenue, costs, profits, and so on. All data is updated in real time, helping you quickly identify issues and make decisions. Moving on to the monitoring map page, here we can see several markers. Hovering your mouse over a marker will display key information. Click to view detailed information. Here, the relevant details are displayed. Downtime and idle time are shown separately, with pie charts and tables that allow you to search, copy, print, and change formats, among other functions. The logs include both work compliance and parameter compliance. There are still tables set up below, where you can perform related operations in sorting. Click to view data related to material output, and you can also add relevant notes and files. Here, there are also locations such as loading and unloading platforms, which can be zoomed in on. Minimize related operations for easier and more timely viewing. Scroll down to access the specific management interface. First, let's look at the visual dashboard at the top, where the core indicators of current production are consolidated. You can view the number of work-in-progress items, target output, and more in real time to ensure progress is on track. The system also calculates estimated related costs, and you can monitor the quantities of relevant materials. Now, let's move on to the table section. Here, every facility's information is accurately recorded, and you can search at the top of the table. The materials and status columns on the right side of the table use colors to distinguish different states. Green indicates inventory information, while blue means it's in progress, both shown on the right side of the table. You can perform related actions here. The green positioning system allows you to accurately check the location, the purple button is for settings, and the red button is used to delete information. Clicking a blue or green button at random will take you to a new interface, where details of the work order and position are recorded. There are related buttons at the top right of the table. These are record fragments, respectively. The division of labor records are marked as completed, in progress, and you can download reports. On the right side of the table is the history log, making it convenient to view everything in one place. Scrolling down, there are 5 categorized tables that you can view as needed. At the top right of the routing table, printing and copying in supported formats is available, and below there are indicator buttons for requirements and details. By clicking the black button, you can edit operational requirements by category. Next, let's go to the operations table, where you can add dates. You can also carry out operational production testing. On the materials page, you can view issues at the top. Below each project, there is a bar chart for a clear overview. There are also scrap and notes tables that you can fill out. Under each table, there is an accurate map location, making it easy for us to check in real time. Back on the main page, click on the Resources tab. Here, you can see information like available power sources and quality, among other things. Below, you'll find detailed resource information, where you can also search, perform related formatting operations, and view the results. Utilization rate, rejection rate, and so on are all available, making it convenient for us to integrate related resources. Click on the Employees tab to view detailed information about staff. On the lower right, there's a bar chart for a clear overview, and further down you'll find specific employee operation details, where you can also perform quick actions. Click on the Operations tab to view relevant operational information, such as OEE. You can also check quality, availability, and more. Click on the Files and Notes tab at the end to add new entries. And carry out related actions. These are the main functional modules of the monitoring page, helping you quickly get a handle on the specific production status.